guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me, and today we have a special guest in the kitchen. I have my beautiful mother-in-law, and she will show you guys how she prepares her cornmeal porridge. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1. So basically she just have a pot with water on the stove, and she's gonna go in and add some cinnamon powder and also some mixed spice. And she did not add any nutmeg because the mixed spice contains nutmeg already, and she didn't want to overpower her porridge with nutmeg. Alright, she's also gonna go in and add some salt. And basically she's just adding about half a teaspoon of salt. Then she's going to allow this to come to a boil. And while she's allowing it to come to a boil, she's going to go ahead and mix the cornmeal. Basically she's going to mix the cornmeal with some cold water. Then we're going to show you what she's going to do next. Alright, so now that it's come to a boil, she's going to go in and add the mixed cornmeal. And of course she will stir because she don't want her porridge to be lumpy, and she also turned on the stove on low heat. Alright, but you don't want to mix constantly because you don't want it to be too watery. She also mixed her coconut milk powder that she will use in her porridge. Now if you have the authentic coconut milk, you can go ahead and use that also. Alright, so she's going to allow this to just come to a boil, and then she's going to come back and add the coconut milk. Alright guys, so now that the porridge is all bubbling up, she's gonna go in and she's gonna add the coconut milk, and of course she have to stir. She also added some sugar, and I know most of you normally add the sugar after, after it has done. You want to add the sugar to taste, but she did not. She added it while it was boiling. Alright, and always remember that you guys can control the thickness of your porridge. So if you see it too thick, you can go in and add some more coconut milk. So she's gonna allow this to cook, the coconut milk and also the cornmeal. Alright guys, so now that her porridge is almost finished cooking, she's gonna go in and she's also gonna add some of the vanilla flavoring. Of course she's gonna combine everything together. And as you can see, our porridge is all nice and thick and smooth. Guys, this tastes so good. I love when she make porridge. It's actually my go-to meal. So in the morning, I'll just have porridge alone, and that take me throughout the day. So basically our porridge is finished. So she's going to go ahead and add some condensed milk. She will not be adding any evaporated milk. So basically she's just sweetening the porridge. As I told you guys, she added some sugar already, so she's just adding some more condensed milk to just give it a little bit more sweetness. All right, so basically she's finished. So guys, this is the final product of our cornmeal porridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's really short and easy. I hope you guys turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and check out the description box. All of the recipe will be listed down below. Until next time, bye.